Okay, here's the work site. I got a tarp laid out. Everything is going on this. And when we get done, we can close it all in, cinch it up, heave it onto the truck. That way we're not doing the job twice, or clean up twice. All right, so here's the inside. Here's true colors. It's pretty dang nasty in here. And like, can't tell from here, but if you go down here, you can see how crazily, oh, I guess you can't see it on camera, but it's just, the floors are just so messed up. Anyway, so what we have, here's our electrical box. All that runs, these wires run through here, and then they pop out here. And then one goes up there, and the rest go down here. There's an air duct here. This is here. I don't know if that means anything. It's terrible. Terrible. Anyways. Something I didn't know existed was this pipe is here. It is duct taped. Who knows what this is? And I guess we need to watch out for that. All these crappy walls don't matter because appliances are going in here. And then here's where the washer goes. Appliance outlet for the dryer. Vent. And then over here it looks, at least as far as I know, from what I can see, pretty clean. And then if you go up this wall, there's an outlet. And that's it. So I'm gonna try to make quick work of getting all this out of here, and I'll send another video with the next stage. All right.